So friends, today we are making the basic bodice block with the tailoring method. Okay, there are two basic methods of making the basic bodice block. One is the method generally used by the designers, construction house and the warehouses and the garment companies, export houses and the so on. And the tailoring method is the method which is generally used by the tailors, boutiques, where we want to produce the single piece and we want to give the proper fit to the body. And when it comes to the standard measurement or when it comes to the journalize the garment, then we do use the drafting method. Okay, so what are the measurements we require in this, in the kids basic bodice block? So we are making the kids basic block as we are making it for the 5 years old child. So we will take the measurements according to that. Okay, if you are making for the 6 years, 7 years, so take the measurements according to that. So in this I am making the 5 years old child. The measurements required now, what are the measurements that we require? Number one is the waist length, that is 10 inches. Second is the cross back, again 10 inches. Number third, all round chest, that is 24 inches. And last measurement that we need for the kids basic bodice block, that is all round waist, that is 22 inches. So these are the 4 measurements that we need: waist length, cross back, all round chest and the all round waist. So how to draft? So let's start the drafting method. Firstly, we will mark the line A to B, that is the waist length line, and mark A to B 10 inches. Okay, so AB is equal to the 10 inches. Then we will square out from the A and mark C. How to calculate AC? Now AC is equal to the half of the cross back. Now cross back is 10 divided by 2, that is 5 inches. So AC will be 5 inches. Okay, so AC is equal to 5 inches. Then when we mark the burst line point, so we will take we will take the measurement from the A and mark D as AD is equal to the 1/4 of the chest. AD is equal to 1/4 of the chest minus half inches. So 1/4 of the chest is 24 minus half inches, that is 6 minus 0.5, 5.5 inches. So we will mark point D from A on the 5.5 inches. Okay, next we will mark E point from D as our all round chest is 24. So 1/4 of the chest plus half inch ease allowance. Why ease allowance? If you have not added earlier ease, then you have to add 0.5 each allowance, otherwise your fitting will be very tight. So our chest is 24 divided by 4, DE is equal to 24 divided by 4 plus 0.5 inches ease allowance, that is 6 plus 0.5, 6.5 inches. Okay, we will mark DE point on the 6.5 inches. Okay, then we will mark B to F on the waistline, as our waist all round waist is 22. So 22 divided by 4, and same method 0.5 inches. So BH is equal to 22 divided by 4 plus 0.5 inches, that is 5.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 6 inches. So we will mark the F point on the 6 inches and we will mark as the waistline. So this is our waistline, this is our chest line. Join E to F. Okay, this is our measurements. Now we will take the width of the neck. Now how to calculate the width of the neck? Width of the neck is equal to 1/12 of the chest. Now chest is 24 inches, 1/12 of the chest 24, that is 2 inches. So our width of the neck will be 2 inches. Okay, this is our G point. Done. Next we will mark the straight line from C on the chest line. Okay, on as 5 inches. So we will mark the straight line. Okay, from C to H. This is our straight line. Okay, then we will go down 0.5 inches from the C and join with the G. C dash. Okay, this is our shoulder line. Okay, understood up to here? So this is the exact line that we need. In our basic bodice block, this is the exact line we need. Okay, firstly we will mark the neck, the front neck and the back neck. So in this I am taking the front neck 0.75 inches. So 0.75 inches will be my front neck. Okay, and my back neck will be this is my front neck. Okay, I am marking with the blue pen. So I am taking here the front neck. Mostly the neck length of the neck is this much only for the kids block. Okay, and my back neck I am taking here, that is 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches. This is my back neck. Okay, this is my front neck and this is my back neck. This is my main part that I have to mark and cut it. Okay, now we will make the armhole. Now how to make the armhole? For the front armhole, firstly we will make the front armhole. Okay, now we will take the midpoint of C and H. Firstly measure how much is that. C to H. C to H we will mark. Okay, two point five C dash to H, that is 5.5. okay, down we will go 0.5 inches inside. It is as it is fixed for kids. Okay, 0.5 inches fixed for kids. Front is deeper than the back. Okay, so we will go 0.5 inches and this point and this point, join this. Okay, so this is our front neck, front armhole. ठीक है. This is our front armhole. Like this we will make. Understood? Then for the back neck, we will mark this point, and this point. This is our back armhole. Understood? Any problem? Understood up to here? This is the basic bodice block. Now the main point, we have to give the specifications. This is our grain line. This is the grain line. As we have to cut the fabric in this, and this thing you have to mention it that the fabric will be cut on fold. Okay. So this is the basic bodice block for the 5 years old child.